What's up, bitches? I'm back. Got a webcam, as you can see. I'm kind of pissed right now because my mic wasn't fucking on, basically. Now I have to fucking restart everything. Where's a gun? Do we have a gun? Uh-oh. 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 Ah! Hello. Okay, where were we at? Fuck. Okay. Thanks for helping me out with that building. The police were snooping around a little, but it seems to have cooled off now and we can finally start construction. I actually have another job for you. See, I bought this yacht recently, but it's too large for the marina and the board says there's no space for a new dock. Could you use your demolition skills again and remove one of the timeshare cabins? If the original document also disappears, then ta-da! Like it was never there. We're going to the West Point Marina and helping a man I don't really know to get some cash. Sounds like a job to me. Okay. So loud. But what I said in the last recording was, leave a comment to see if, fuck me, leave a comment if I should play some of the mods, because what you didn't get to see was a whole bunch of cool new mods. $15. But all in all, you know, like and subscribe if so far you do like what you see. I mean, yeah, it's pretty simple, just TearDown if you already watched it. But oh yeah! But it's me, you know. That's too fucking heavy. Next best plan. Hollow this shit out. Ah! Open this shit up. We don't want this shit. Get the fuck out the way. Get the fuck out of the way. Get 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 out of the way. Oh, shit. I really should have just flattened the bush. God damn you. This would be a longer video than I wanted. But who doesn't want a long video, you know? Can I just I fucking hate this. It's not. Oh, all I need to do is dump it in the water. Now I just make progress all the way. I was gonna cut, but never fucking mind. Shit's easy as hell now. Became strong. Oh, god damn it, there's rocks. Yeah! How deep is that fucking water? Deep. That's all I gotta say. Deep. Okay, what am I doing? These two, and then that. Oh! Damn. Let's drive this bitch. Obviously, cause boat. I love boats. Boat. Drive a boat. I do have a little bit of mods because I don't know how to turn them off. Sorry. I think I did say something about that last video. Not sure. And I'm sorry for my shitty ass. Uploading schedule. It's worse than how Corey is sometimes. water. Give me a second. Yep. Oh my god. Stop it. Stop. You want to know what's third? I'd say second. First, this is playing. Second best plan, baby. Throw all that bitch in the water. We don't want that. How do I? Oh, it's a push door. Grab that awkward moment. I can't handle it. I don't know. What I'm trying to say is, you ever have the awkward moment where you pull on a push door and you push on a pull door? You know what I'm saying. What? I want you more centered. Big brain plays. Let's go. Look at this last one. This shit is long, by the way. Just to clarify, 2 missions every episode till we complete the game. Ah! Wait, I'm gonna drown. Help! Never mind. When do we win? When do we win? When do we win? I wanna win. When do we win? What's too tall? I hate this stupid. Fuck it. The entire house gone. We don't want it. Ah, move. Ta-da. I was gonna jump cut that, you know. Just go to another scene where I'm like partially done with the house. No, we're doing this all this shit in one fucking take. 'Cause I'm big. Yeah. 6 minutes. Done. Done and done. What the? Fuck it. We may have fixed that shit, but we broke it again. Ooh, you got a nice bathroom. You ain't any more? This guy has like split personalities. Like he has one moment where he's fixing shit, and then the next he's destroying everything he did. Ooh, let's go check up there. Shotgun. Okay. Let's just fuck you. Fuck that cop. Fuck that boo. And most of all, fuck that trip. Indestructible, I see. Missions, tools. Let's upgrade. Why this shit? Oh, never mind. I'm about to say, why this shit so expensive? But then again, once you shot me. Oh, fuck my neck. Fantastic work at the marina. Looks like it worked because they just cleared a construction permit for the new dock. Another thing came up. There was this classic car auction. Up in Black River the other day, and one guy just kept bidding me. Lawrence Lee Jr., that youngster who inherited the chemical plant money a few years ago. Absolutely no interest in cars. He's just looking for ways to rotate his dirty money. It's a Gauss Seidel B50. I don't know if I said that right. The one they used in Seal the Deal 2 and Colonel Wilson's personal Jacoby from Normandy. Lee is about to put those cars on a ship overseas any day now. They'll be out of the country for good. If that's not criminal, I don't know what is. Can you help me acquire these 2 gems? I'll take good care of them. Ow, my back. Bullshit. Break an alarm. Take that. I'm not for sure. We'll see. If I have to plan this shit out, we can just do it. Fuck all of my chair. Huh. Fuck that chair. See this dresser? Fuck that dresser. You see this lamp? Fuck that lamp. You see this? Fuck it. I don't know what it is, but fuck it. Fuck that shit. See this chair? Fuck that chair. Fuck this chair. I don't know. Let's go for it. Please. I'll leave that in. So this is gonna take some planning. I do not remember the YouTuber's video I watched. For this one at least. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do everything. Not the right door. You bet I won't. Fuck you. Open. Yeah, doors. Hate doors. I really don't like the doors in this game. Just specific doors. So laggy. Uh-oh. Fuck. Looks like we restarted. Knock, knock, bitch. It's me. Grandmama. Okay, let's grab this shit. Move the fuck out here. Okay, better idea. Better idea. This might take a bit. We might need to go a bit slower. I don't think we're gonna have an option. In reality, we might not have an option. Because of how stupid this. What are you even blowing out of? I'm alone. I'm scared. I do. Dumb brain, me very dumb. Jesus fucking Christ. I'm gonna figure out. Meanwhile, I have a big brain idea. I wouldn't dare close that. They dared. So I have to be in the car. I think that'll stop me. I have a boost car. There is nothing. Oh shit! I didn't really want the car anyways. Did y'all? Because I didn't. Sorry, I'm shining over here. Oh. How do you clear out an area? Saying, fuck the game. That's all good. All good. There's a chance I have to turn off the boost for this. Because it just doesn't work yet. There's a chance. Clear all this shit out of the way. Oh, fucking. Oh, Jesus H. Christ. This is the problem. You give me a second. I fixed everything. disarm gates. Yeah. Ta-da! All gates disarmed. I want to drive the crane. Oopsie daisy. I crashed it. Fuck the gates. I hate gates, man. No gate gang. Y'all should leave some comments of what I should do. What videos I should make. God damn it! Fuck this! But yeah, y'all should... speak English. Speak English. Yeah. Haha! And crikey. But y'all should leave some comments down below of what videos I should post and what videos I should be making, or all in all, blah blah blah, shoobida blah blah blue. You know the you. Big brain idea. An electric sander. You never know. I'm going to be trying to make this as best as possible. Theoretically. Oh my god, just drive. Just drive. Take it with you, man. It's like a snack for later. Now please drive like a normal car, bro. Please drive anything like a normal car would. Oh my Jesus. Oh my Christ. Look. Oh my god, these cars, the cars in this game actually are stupid. Have no brain. No brain. Big brain ideas right here, guys. Biggest. Fucking do what I need you to do. Oh my god. Right now, I don't think I can handle doing the optional stuff. So I think what I'm gonna do is not do the optional stuff. You know, BB green. Do the doors open? No. What's our next best idea? Taking a car. Driving it. Oh, you bastard. The only downside of not doing boost is you can't really, you can't get in there. Well, also my tires fucked. This entire car is fucked. I'm about to start crying like Nikocado avocado, bro. I'm tired. Might go to bed after making this video. definitely gonna go to bed after making this video. Perfect. Just being silly. Portable gaming console? Oh my god. These guys are rich. I mean, it was $160. God damn you. All good. Open. That personally was a lot easier than I expected. So, just because, god damn, just because it was so easy, and because I didn't do the optional, I'll do another mission. I'll cut down the footage a little or whatnot, and I'll redo the mission. What the hell? No! What is that? It's fine. It's salvageable. It's not salvageable. God damn it. Stupid bit. Okay, let's do this. You don't know me, but I've had a series of break-ins recently. In the last one, I lost 2 very, very rare cars and classic cars. And guess what? I know who did it. Gordon Wu, that absolute prick, is now bragging to everyone at the club about his new 2 fave possessions. The break-ins caused me a lot of property damage, and I like to let Gordon say some of his own. Since you're in the demolition industry, I thought, well, I don't know if you do this sort of work, but let me know if it sounds interesting. Interesting. I've been up all night digging through the login devices and managed to find a connection at the West Point Marina. I haven't been able to figure out more on BT, but Lee has a warehouse in West Point. I guess whatever fishy business he is up to, the marina is not the final destination. I was thinking the boat GPS can give me an idea where he is moving the product, especially if I could compare their recent destinations to the shipping log. Can you get them for me? I lied! I'm not. I'm going to end it here. What you're gonna do for me is comment which one I should play. Which mission. Either the GPS devices or the car wash. If you don't, maybe I won't make a video. Maybe I will make a video. Maybe I won't. It's up to you to decide. That's how you really engage. Well, you all have a good night. You better respond or there might not be a video. If you're really interested.